This is home link 3-4, perimeter. The perimeter of a geometric figure is the distance around the figure. If the figure is a polygon, like those on this page, the perimeter can be found by adding the lengths of the sides. If you want to review this topic in detail with your child, use the student reference book, pages 150 and 151. Number 1, estimate. Which has the larger perimeter, Polygon A or Polygon B? So you think about it, and then you choose. Your answer here, this is your estimate, so you look, which do you think, the perimeter, remember, is the area around, so which do you think is longer, this length here, or this length here? Okay, probably a lot of you said A, a lot of you might have also said B, so you choose A or B, and you pick one, and you write the answer there. And then, number 2, check your estimate by measuring the perimeter of each polygon in centimeters. Okay, so we're measuring in centimeters. If you don't have a centimeter ruler, cut out the one at the bottom of the page. So right down at the bottom of the page here, they provided you a centimeter ruler. Doesn't matter if you use this one or if you use one that just has centimeters on it. We're going to use this one. So we're going to measure, this is 5 centimeters. I think these are the same, so yeah, these should all be the same. So these are all 5 centimeters. It's a square. 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So I know the perimeter of polygon A is going to be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, or 5 times 4. And the answer to that is 20. Okay, so the perimeter of polygon A is going to be 20 centimeters. And now we're going to measure polygon B. Okay, it looks like each of these is 1 centimeter going in and around here. Just, yep, okay. So you could measure each of these out, or we can just say 1 and mark. I'm going to put marks on each of these that mean 1, and then I'm going to count the marks after I finish marking them. Okay, and if you wanted to go all the way around this polygon and double check that these were exactly 1 centimeter, you could do that. Sometimes it's tricky because we forget to count the ones on the sides. But so now I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3. And actually, as I count them, I'm just going to make a dot so I know I counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so the answer here is 20 centimeters. Alright, so it asks us which had a larger perimeter, but they both ended up being the same. Okay, they both had the same perimeter. Now what is the perimeter of each figure below? So this says 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet. So in order to get the perimeter of those, and let's zoom in on this, we have to add it up. So 3 feet plus 4 feet is 7 feet. Okay, plus 5 feet is going to equal 12 feet. So the perimeter should be 12 feet for figure A. Now this one, for figure B, it tells us each side is 10 inches. So this is 10, this is 10. It doesn't look like 10 inches, but it's just gives us the directions here that it's 10 inches. So we can draw something smaller and we can say, well, this equals this. So you have to imagine that it's 10 inches. And then I'm just going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, so 60 inches is the perimeter of that. Alright? So this is home link 3-4, perimeter, for grade 3 everyday math.